What drew me to HCF was their purpose-driven values and the role itself being a combination of digital and data. To have both of those things is actually very rare to find.
HCF and culture really do go hand in hand. It's one of the things that I love about HCF. They do support you, they empower you to grow.
HCF is very, very collaborative, and it's also very welcoming, and people are very, very willing to share their knowledge, especially people who've been with HCF quite a long time and know a lot about the data and the systems.
In HCF, it's not all about the technology, but mostly it's about the people that you're directly working with, and the colleagues that every day you start your work with.
Even at the interview stage, the people I met were very genuine and very passionate about what they were doing, and this really aligned with what I wanted to do next with my career. And the culture that I saw in the interviews is actually the culture I see day to day, and it's really lived up to what I was thinking HCF would be.
In a male-dominant industry, it's sometimes difficult to be yourself, but in HCF I never felt that, and my team gave me all the support that I need to step up and be a leader.
What excites me about HCF is their innovative approach in areas that are being changed all the time. I'm looking at building a new team, bringing in skills, but also growing the team that I have to really explore these new technologies and how they really impact our members and the outcomes for the business.
As Australia's largest not-for-profit health fund, we are looking for people who really aligns with our values, that are purpose-led, because that's really important for us.
If someone's considering a role in tech at HCF, I'd say come and join us.